Start the party.
This is Jeff Baker coming from Oxygen Central. And we have just completed the oxygen injection standardization Kaizen for Tesoro. I like that I'm standing like this. I'm in CSI Miami. The purpose of this was try to gain some consensus and mutual understanding around the oxygen injection technologies that we have employed at 27 of my 47 sites, and come to some beneficial and optimized program to design, assess the size, design, install, operate, and monitor the performance, and then convey that information to the regulators. I think we've done a great job doing that. I think we're going to come out of here with a more streamlined and cost-efficient means to get to the end of cleaning up the aquifers and getting to closure. Also, it reaffirms my belief that I have an unbelievably good group of people that I'm working with, and this is the group that I will move forward with regardless of increase in workload and portfolio. I will not look elsewhere for help. These will be the people that I'll be going forward with. Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah.
Gary.
Aaron, you're up.
I threw him a bone.
So I was just supposed to talk a little bit about lean, and this was the first time I was exposed to lean. And we talked first about the VW logo, about Volkswagen, which ended up being value, waste, and people. And lean, which was developed by lean thinking by Dan Womack, is looking at value versus waste. And to define lean, it's a systematic way of thinking, focused on defining values and finding values and eliminating things that we don't have to do. And there's several different ways to do that. But essentially, we're looking at equipment, material, time, space, and effort. And this is a results-oriented program. Lean's a results-oriented program. It's not just something we talk about. What the process does is it makes the problems visible, and then it goes about the ways to solve them. And then when we talk about value, value is being defined, value is being defined right here, and that's what our client wants. Essentially, how's the value created? Is it static? What's waste? What can we do? How can we get rid of it? There was some cool acronyms like Tim Wood. Well, he's covered up right now.
He's back over. He's moved.
Oh, is he moved? He's been walking around the room since we started. But essentially, I think we've kind of been through the process here with the Kaizen. To identify these things, and I've learned quite a bit. That's my report for lean.
Beautiful. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Todd Brown with Stantec, and I'd like to say that this Kaizen 3 has been a real good experience with regards to meeting with all the other consultants and Jeff Baker of Tesoro with regards to reviewing the oxygen, different oxygen technologies and coming up with a value stream map plan and reviewing everything from pre-planning to assessment to streamlining the process to designing the system and looking at different ways with the complexities of the sites that work best in providing the best value and saving money for Tesoro, and working together in the future with regards to coming up with standardizations so that we can make streamlined decisions with the most appropriate remedial approach in the various oxygen techniques. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Mr. Vinkowski with Stantec, and as part of the value stream map, we put up a bunch of ideas, problems, processes, and data, and that's the different color tabs here. And as part of that, we did an affinity process. I don't have to go this way, guys. In which we took the data tabs from this side of the room and silently, in a 5-minute process or 3-minute process, moved them all over here to this affinity wall and we had to group them silently. And that was a very interesting process, watching the people go through and put sticky tabs here, then move them over here, and another person move them back. And I saw one person move the same thing twice. So it was really interesting, but it all, going into it, I was kind of skeptical on it because we couldn't talk, but it really worked out well. We were able to group our thoughts into certain categories that helped us develop the next step, which was the Pew diagram. So that's what I learned here at Kaizen 3. Kaizen 3.
Okay, thanks. And